Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button guys. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys follow the telegram channel so you will not miss out on the next update I'll be giving to you guys. I will put the link to the telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting next and anticipating for next on our odd US dollar. So let's start with the trend. I told you guys previously that all the US dollar should give us a pullback to come to retest this level, right? I told you guys previously. I'll be explaining why. So we were expecting our market to give us a pullback to come to retest it, and this is what market did. Market eventually gave us a pullback. So this was our prediction, and it is correct. So our next movement on odd USD will be another bullish move. Why we'll be expecting that bullish move is that when you go to your daily time frame, right, and you see the trend, right, what is market doing? Current trend, by the way, what market is doing currently, and we can see that on this our current trend, market is trending upward. You're having a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, especially when you go to your forward time frame, right? So if this is a massive high, this is the higher low, this is also the massive high, here is the higher low. So with this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 3 days back, market on a odd USD has been bearish. Now, which will be the fourth day, we should now be expecting a bullish move. So our next movement on odd USD is a bullish move. So basically, if you're a day trader, this is the best time for you to start hopping on a buy. If you're also a swing trader, this is also the best time to start hopping in on a buy, as we will start expecting a buy movement from here. Now back to our 4-hour time frame. So on this 4-hour time frame, you can see that there are multiple rejections at these levels. So we had our first rejection here, then here comes the second rejection on this level, then here comes the third rejection, and then the fourth rejection, right? So market is now back at this level, and we are now expecting a fifth rejection, thereby markets will now give us another bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why I said our next movement on odd USD is actually a bullish move. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know about the changes. So all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comment.